Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. In this video you will be see chapter number 4 exercise 8.1. So chapter number 8 is introduction to trigonometry. What is the meaning of trigonometry? Trigonometry means tri means 3, gon means that sides, and metry means measure. These are the Greek words. So this trigonometry divided in 3 parts: tri, gon and metry. It means 3 sides measured. So that exercise 8.1, that question number 1, in a triangle ABC. So first of all we will draw the triangle ABC. That ABC, right angle at B, on the place of B, that is a right angle. So obviously that will be hypotenuse. And then AB is equal to 24, that is 24, and then BC is equal to 7. So first of all we will find that one. Solution, that is H square is equal to P square plus B square. Everybody know that one. So H square, it AC square is equal to that 24 square plus 7 square. So AC square is equal to that 24 square means 24 ja 576 plus 49. That will be AC is equal to under root by square, that is under root 625. So that will be AC is equal to 25 centimeter. That is a 25 centimeter. So no need to write that one. We will write 25 centimeter. Now first part, that will be, here is also 2 questions. So that will be find sin A. Sin A is equal to that sin A. How you will be defined? That is we will be write that one PBP upon that HHB, that is a sin cos 10. Sin cos 10. When you will be apply sin, then you will be write P upon H. P upon H. P upon H. When you will be apply cos, then you will be apply B upon H. For 10, you will apply P upon B. Similarly, that will be HHB upon PBP. That will be cosec, sec, cot. When you will apply cosec, then you will be see H upon P. For sec, you will be apply H upon B. For cot, you will be use B upon P. This thing you will be remember always. And then sin A, that no need to write that one now. Sin A, what is A angle? This is the angle. We are looking this angle, A angle. So perpendicular, that will be just opposite of this angle, that is a 7. And hypotenuse will be not change. Hypotenuse, it will be same, always same. So that is a 25. Again I am repeating, when you will be see the angle A, which angle you are looking, that opposite side will be perpendicular. So that is a perpendicular. And then cos A is equal to, that will be, if this is a perpendicular, then this will be base. Now second part is sin A, sin C is equal to P upon H. So that sin C, now we are looking the C angle. So opposite of this angle side is 24. So that is 24 upon 25. And then cos C is equal to B upon H. So that B is 7 upon 25. Now next question, second question. This thing you will be remember always. Second question, diagram is already given there. So first of all we will find the QR. this is the diagram P, Q, R. This is a 90 degree, so that is a hypotenuse. It's a permanent will be hypotenuse, and this will be find. So P square plus B square is equal to H square. So P is 12 square plus QR square is equal to 13 square. So QR square is equal to 169, and then 12 12 is 144. So QR is equal to under root 25, and then QR is equal to, that will be 5. Next, but 10P. First of all, we find the 10P. 10P is equal to, 10 means P upon B, perpendicular upon base. Now we are looking the angle P, so that perpendicular will be, this is a 5 upon that base is 12. Obviously that will be. Now cot R is equal to, cot means B upon P, that. Now we are looking the angle R, so perpendicular will be just opposite of that one, that perpendicular will be just opposite of that one, and base will be, that will be 5. Now we will write the actual question. 10P minus cot R. So P value, 10P value is 5.12 minus 5.12. That will be cancelled. So that will be 0 answer. Third question, that is sin A is equal to 3 upon 4 is given there, and we know that formula also, that is a P upon H. It means P is equal to 3, H is equal to 4. So here we will find B square plus P square is equal to H square. So B square plus P means perpendicular, that is a 3 square plus is equal to 4 square. So B square is equal to 4 4 is 16 minus 9. So B is equal to under root 7. Here we are looking, all the angles are same, sin A, cos A, tan A. Every angle is same. So base will be same, perpendicular will be perpendicular. And you know that hypotenuse is always hypotenuse. So cos A is equal to B upon H is equal to, base is under root 7 upon, that will be 4. Answer. And then tan A is equal to, tan we know that P upon B. So P is that 3 upon B is under root 7. This is the answer. Fourth question, that is 15 cot A is equal to, that is 8. So cot A is equal to 8 upon 15, that will be. So that cot means we know that B upon P. So base is equal to 8, P is equal to 15. So here we will find first of all hypotenuse, and then after sin A sec A we can find, because all the angles are same. So base will be base, perpendicular will be perpendicular. No problem will become here. And then fifth question, also, see that fifth question, sec theta is equal to that 13 upon 12. So that sec means we know that H upon B. So H is equal to 13, B is equal to 12. So first of all you will find the perpendicular, and then you will find sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta and cosec theta also you will be find here. Cosec theta also you will find. It means 5 answer you will be find here by the similar of like this. Then sixth question. Yes, sixth question is just different type of question. Angle A and angle B are the acute angle such that cos A is equal to cos B. So first of all we will draw the that angle A and angle B, that is the same. So that A, B, C. So obviously that will be C 90 degree, right? Now cos A is equal to cos B. So that cos A is equal to, we know that B upon H. So that you are looking here that angle A, this is the angle A, so base will be AC and hypotenuse will be AB. This is the common thing. And then cos B is equal to B upon H. Now angle we are looking the B, so that one angle, so base will be BC upon AB. Now actual question is that cos A is equal to cos B. The value of those is, both are that one, AB is equal to BC upon AB. AB cancel by AB, so AC is equal to BC. It means both sides are equal. If the both sides are equal, so that both angle will be also equal. So how we will write that one? By equal opposite sides. By equal opposite sides, angle A is equal to angle B. That is proved. Now the question number 7. Yes, just difficult type of question is that one, 7. Question number 7. That cot theta is equal to 7 upon 8. Cot theta is equal to 7 upon 8. 7 upon 8. That means cot means that will be B upon P. So first of all we will find the H. H square is equal to P square plus B square. So H is not given there. P is 8 square plus 7 square. That H square is equal to 8 8 is 64 plus 4 7 7 is 49. And then add, that will be 7 4 13, 6 4 10 1 130. 113. H we have find. Now the actual question is that one, 1 plus sin theta and then 1 minus sin theta. 1 minus sin theta upon that 1 plus cos theta and then 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta. By the multiply of both bracket, a plus b, a minus b by identity, that will be 1 minus sin square theta, or that will be 1 minus cos square theta. Then after we place the value of that one, 1 minus sin means P upon H. P upon H. So P is 8 upon H means under root 113 and then square, and then main upon is this one. So 1 plus, sorry, minus that will be 7 upon under root 113 whole square. So that you are looking 1 minus 64 upon 113 by of square that, and then 1 minus 49 upon 113 by the LCM of that one, that would be 113 minus 64 by this one LCM, and then main upon, that will be 113 minus 49 upon 113. So 113 is cancelled by 113, and then this will be 49 and this subtraction will be 64. This is the answer. Next part is cot square theta. cot square theta is equal to, we know that cot means b upon p. So b value is, that will be square also. B value is that 7 upon 8, and then square, that will be 49 upon that 64. You are looking, both answer the same. Both answer is same. Now, eighth question is also just like same type of question and lengthy also. Eighth question is that 3 cot A is equal to, that is 4. So cot A is equal to 4 upon 3. You know that cot means b upon p. So first of all we will find the h square is equal to b square plus p square. So h square is equal to, b is 4 square plus 3 square. So h square is equal to 4 4 16 plus 9. So h is equal to under root 25. That means h is equal to 5. Now we will apply the values. Here is a 1 minus tan square a plus upon 1 plus tan square a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a, equal or not equal. So both places we will be write that 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a. So that 1 minus tan value means, that is p upon b. So that will be 3 upon 4 square, and then 1 plus 3 upon 4 square. Similarly will become, and then 1 minus 9 upon 16 main upon 1 plus 9 upon 16. So by the LCM, that will be 16 minus 9 upon 16, and then main upon 16 plus 9 upon 16, 16 cancelled by 16. So 16 less 9, that will be 7, and that will be 25. First left hand side we have find, and then right side cos square a minus sin square a. So that will be, cos value is b upon h. So 4 square, 4 upon 5 square, 4 upon 5 square, and then minus sin means p, that is 3 upon 5 square. 16 upon 25, that minus 9 upon 25. By the LCM, that 16 minus 9 upon 25, that will be 7 upon 25. So you are looking, both are equal. So we will write left hand side is equal to right hand side. Then ninth question. Here is a 2 part. I will be solve only one part. Second part solve by yourself, because only sign is different. Values you will be see by the here there is same. Ninth question, that is tan a is equal to 1 upon under root 3. So tan means we know that p upon b. So that h square is equal to p square plus b square. So that h square is equal to, p is 1 square plus under root 3 square. So that will be h square is equal to 1 plus 3. So h is equal to under root 4. It means 2. Under root 4 means 2. Now first part is that sin a cos c plus cos a sin c cos A sin C. So cos A, same angle is that. So perpendicular will be perpendicular and base will be base. So sin A means P upon, that will be P upon H. So P is 1 upon 2 multiply. Now the C is this one, angle is different. So now that base will be 1 upon 2 plus, yes. Now cos A, so base will be same, under root 3 upon 2 multiply. Now sin C, so that perpendicular will be this one, under root 3 upon 2. Now that 1 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4. So that 3 plus 1 4, because both denominator are same, 1 ja, that is 1. And then second part, cos A you can see from first part, cos C also you can see from first part, sin A from first part, sin C from first part, and then you can, and then you will be do the calculation. And then 10th question, is that first of all we draw diagram, then 90 degree at Q. So P Q R, and then it's given there, that is a 90 degree. It's a given there, PQ is 5, PQ is 5 centimeter, and then PR plus QR, PR plus QR is 25. So this will be, suppose X, so that will be 25 minus X, right? Now B square plus P square is equal to H square. So B is base, X square plus 5 square is equal to 25 minus X whole square, 25 minus, so X square plus 5 5 ja 25 is equal to, by the square of that, 5 5 ja 625, 625 plus X square minus 50X, X square cancel by X square. So this will become this side, 50X is equal to that 625 minus 25. So by that subtraction, 600 upon 50 cancel 12. So X is equal to 12. So QR is equal to, we have suppose X, so that is 12 centimeter, and PR is there supposed 25 minus X, so that 25 minus 12 is equal to 13 centimeter. Okay. Then 11th question, state whether the following are true or false. Justify the value of tan A is always less than 1. No, it can be greater than 1 also. Sec A is 12 upon 5 for some value of angle A. Yes, it can be possible. Third, cos A is a abbreviation used for the quotient of angle A. That can be no. Yes, cot A is the product of cot and A. No, it's not a product, because cot, that A is a any angle. That fifth part, sin theta is equal to 4 upon 3 for some angles of theta. It can be not, it can be not. So that is a false.